Lotion hydrates and moisturizes. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's make some lotion. Before we get started, be sure to sanitize your area and all utensils and wear gloves. If you'd like to know how I sanitize my areas, check out this video above. Let's start with distilled water. Always use distilled water or deionized water. A humectant pulls water from the environment into the skin, hair, or nails. Glycerin is an excellent humectant. Emulsifiers form a homogeneous mixture, keeping oil and water together. This is my special blend of oils and butters and an emulsifier. To make lotion, you need to heat your oils, butters, and emulsifier along with your distilled water. Add the water into the oils, then stir. Scrape down the sides. Once your lotion has cooled, add in your fragrance, colorant, and preservative. Enjoy the shine.